Hello world, it's Emmy and I found yet another Meijer beauty box. This one is the summer edition. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by opening this up. This is of course a little bit tricky to do one-handed. Ugh, ignore my arm, it looks so ugly from that angle. Okay, plastic is open. Let's put that away, we don't need that. Right, so let's open this up. As usual, we have the book of coupons and another guide to sun safety, just like in the last box. Underneath the tissue paper, we're going to start with, this is a sunscreen sample, which is nice. Next, I'm going to go with this because it sticks out to me. These are hair, skin, and nails jelly beans. I'll try those. I'm not too sure about that. Then we've got a shampoo. Is this a dry shampoo or a regular shampoo? Looks like regular. And we have another hand sanitizer, which I'm still very excited about. Still can't get enough hand sanitizer. And here is a dry shampoo. So this dry shampoo haven't used the one from the fall box still, but that's fine. Ooh, heat protector. I do use this. Or perfector. Oh, I don't know the difference then. Okay, I'll try it. Perfector, not protector. We got ourselves facial cleanser. I thought this was lotion. It looks like it's a soap. Whoa, and this is a huge bottle of sunscreen. Wow. Now that is impressive. As usual, this box was $5. And what is this? A deodorant. Don't think that's how to open that. One moment. Okay, so it doesn't actually come with the deodorant. It's just the case for the deodorant. Were any of the rest of these deodorant? No. So I already have deodorant. So I am going to probably, as bad as this sounds, throw away the reusable plastic. Because I didn't need it. But besides that, this was some pretty nice stuff. In conclusion, this is another really great value for a lot of really fun little samples. $5 can't beat the price. So, all in all, I'm happy I bought this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!